Hi guys, if you've been searching for a smartwatch with a round dial, Bluetooth calling, Amoled display and all for under Rs 2000, then this video is just for you, because today I'll unbox and review the BeatXP Vega Neo, which is available for only Rs 1999. I had done the BeatXP Vega review a month back and found it to be perhaps the best budget smartwatch under Rs 3000. Today we'll find out what is new in the Vega Neo. I am Siddharth, you are watching Mic Drop, and if you find this video useful, please share it with others. Now let us see the unboxing I did earlier. Box comes wrapped in a plastic film, which is good for the weather. The monsoon is on and we don't want our deliveries to be wet. Slide the top cover, take off the lid. Basically you will get an envelope with the documentations, stickers, 500 rupee coupon, digital user manual, warranty card. Inside you'll also get a 2-pin magnetic charger with a decent cable. And now the watch. Peel off the protective cover, long press the crown, and there you have the Vega Neo unboxed. So as you saw in the unboxing, the BeatXP Vega Neo is a beautiful unisex round dial smartwatch. It comes in two color options, the electric black and the ice silver. I have here the electric black version. It has a 1.43-inch always-on AMOLED display with 466x466 resolution screen, giving you a comfortable viewing experience. The curved glass adds to its good looks. The peak brightness has been reduced in the Neo to 500 nits, but that has not hampered the display in any way. It is still very vivid and bright. BeatXP have replaced the metal case with polycarbonate material for the watch. It is much lighter now, but the metallic matte finish still looks very premium. There are built-in speaker and microphone for ease of calling. The watch has a non-functional metal crown, which is basically a back button. Sensors for 24/7 health monitoring and magnetic charging port are located at the back. The 22mm silicone straps are soft and removable. Want to change them? Just click and replace with the other compatible bands of your choice. Watch is only 11mm thick, and with the metal buckle, it weighs around 38 grams, making it very light and extremely comfortable to wear. It is IP68 water and dust resistant, so you can go out in the rain, take a swim without any problem. The setup and pairing of the watch is very simple. Scan the QR code from the user manual or the watch and install the BeatXP Track app. Just follow the steps prompted by the app and the pairing will be completed. You can also sync the watch with your Android or iOS devices to receive notifications. The user interface is very smooth and responsive with the 60 Hz refresh rate. If you swipe from top to bottom, you will get a control center which shows pairing symbol, battery status, day and date, phone symbol to match sound from phone to watch, screen on time, alarm, brightness control, QR code for downloading the app, settings and DND. If you swipe up, you can access your notifications like messages, missed call or YouTube notifications. And swiping right to left or left to right will show the quick access features, which can be personalized by adding or subtracting features which you are likely to use more. So what can you modify in the settings? You can adjust the brightness, set password so that only you can access the watch, DND, languages. You have Indian languages like Hindi, Bengali and Marathi, but the automatic setting is English. 6 menu styles: list, cellular, rolling, kaleidoscope and roller. I have set mine to list for its simplicity. You can select any one of the 6 as per your liking. Then you have system menu, standby dial, with which you can choose either digital or analog view. Then you have the raise to wake. You can set this feature from 3 seconds to 20 seconds. I have set it to 4 seconds. Then you have the always on display, also known as screen on time here. It can be set from 5 minutes to always on. Go to the main menu by a single press of the crown. Here you can access all the features like call menu. The watch supports one-tap Bluetooth calling with an on-screen dial pad. Has over 100 plus sports modes you can choose and add from the app. The watch has 24/7 health monitoring available with heart rate, SpO2, stress, sleep, and even a BP monitor. Amongst other features, you will get breathing exercise, notifications, alarm, music, weather, camera, find my phone, stopwatch, timer, world clock, AI voice assistant. So basically in this watch, there are no games or flashlight, but there is stock market. Great if you trade in stocks. Then you have activity. You can keep a track of steps taken, calories burnt, distance covered. I find this feature very motivating. Long press on the screen shows the default watch faces. Although the watch has only 11 default watch faces, there is a great collection of more than 200 watch faces on the cloud to choose from. The watch is powered by a powerful 300 mAh battery which will last you up to 7 days and save your time from frequent charging. With Bluetooth calling on, Neo still manages a decent backup of 2 days. Want to increase the battery backup? Just deselect incoming calls in the app. So the final verdict. The BeatXP Vega Neo is a unique combination of style and functionality. It's a great value for money smartwatch. It is currently available on Amazon for ₹1,999, and at this price point, this feature-loaded smartwatch, I feel, is the best in the market currently. If you want to purchase it, go ahead and check out the link in the description. With that, we come to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like and comment. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.